Hello guys, if you're looking for any website to create consistent characters like this, then watch this video until the end. Because today, we are going to create consistent characters using Leonardo AI. So let's start. Open any web browser and search for Leonardo AI. Click on the first website. This is the best website to generate images using AI. Click on the Launch App button. Here, we have multiple tools. Click on the Create New Image button. It has been moved to Cinematic Kino Present. We are not going to use this because it is going to take 14 coins to generate an image. So let's move to Legacy mode by clicking here. It will redirect you to the Legacy interface. In the prompt box, we have to add an image prompt. I have already created an image prompt. Full body, an African woman with beautiful big eyes, wearing a simple, elegant, plain white sundress that flows gracefully to her knees, with thin straps and a gently flared skirt, crying with an African village in the background, illustrated in Disney Pixar style. I am copying this prompt and pasting it into the prompt box. After pasting it, click on Fine-Tuned Model and select Leonardo Diffusion XL. Select the quantity of images from here, like 1, 2, 3, or 4. You can also change image dimensions according to your requirement. Click on the Generate button. It will start generating images. It might take some time to generate images, so have some patience. So finally, the image has been created according to the given instructions. You can download an image by clicking on this icon. Let's create another consistent character image. You just have to change the action of this image. For example, an earlier image was crying. Now I'm changing it to running. After changing the action, click the Generate button. It might take some time to generate images, so have some patience. So finally, the same character image has been created, but its action has been changed. You can see the consistency of both images. Faces, hairs, and dresses are the same. Let's create one more image by changing its action to sitting down. Click on the Generate button. It might take some time to generate images, so have some patience. The third image has also been created with the same consistency. These three images are the same in appearance and face structures. So guys, you can also create consistent characters using Leonardo AI. Make sure you don't change appearance, just change the action of the character, and then it will create consistent characters. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.